So, aloha. I am currently recording on a GoPro 9, and let's just say I've been long overdue for an upgrade because I upgraded from a GoPro 3, GoPro Hero 3. That's like 7 or 8 years without an update on my GoPro. It's really not a big of a deal because my GoPro is, unlike some YouTubers or, travel vloggers, I don't use my GoPro as my primary video. I don't. A GoPro, at least from what I feel is, GoPro is for adventure cams. If you're going diving, you're going snorkeling, you're on a mountaintop, you want like some kind of like crazy, fisheye effects in your photos or videos, this is what this is for. And when I first got this, I went to Belize and Guatemala. I used the GoPro like excessively, and I got the camera and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna use this everywhere. But realistically, in my travels, I've used it for special purposes only. But which is why I haven't made priority in getting a new GoPro. But a lot of times in my recent travels, like the past 2 to 3 years, I take out my GoPro and use it in the places I want, like a hike or go snorkeling or whatever. And I realized like the quality is definitely not up to date. And I knew at some point, what are these birds? I knew at some point it'd be time for an update, but I've had other priorities like my new phone. I'm probably looking to get a DSLR. But I saw it was time to get a new GoPro, and as I was going to get a GoPro 8, I saw that the GoPro 9 was coming out, and right when I got some YouTube earnings, mahalo, thank you guys, I compiled some of the funds together and I made this investment here. And I don't regret it because this thing is awesome. It's got some serious image stabilization, which is a hell of an improvement from what I had been working with. The GoPro 3 was magnificent back in 2013, but when you record, you can tell it's all over the place. But even like doing that here is so much smoother. See how the image stabilization is. So awesome. This is my new upgrade. I'm looking forward to utilizing this in many of the dives I go on now that I'm a certified diver. Any beach adventures I have. There are a lot of hikes here, and even hikes in my travels. I will be taking this with me, and it's going to make for some serious vlogging. And also what I noticed is that the quality on the front camera, or just in general, is really good for vlogging, period. I use my phone to vlog, but this is like an additional resource. This is a quick little update. I'm really excited for my new gadget. It was kind of like an early Christmas gift, but really thanks to you guys for your support. When you hit any of my videos and you watch, there's some ads within the videos. I'm sure you know of how YouTube works, but those little clicks, they support me. And I'm once again grateful for every one of you. My subscriber number hit 7,000 recently, and it's going up. So thank you guys. I'm glad to introduce my new gadget, and until next time, aloha.